Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0880-1C, which indicates IG1 voltage out of range, is a diagnostic trouble code that pertains to the Honda CR-V models from 2023 and onward. This signal particularly deals with the Transmission Control Module TCM, which is crucial in managing the vehicle's automatic transmission functions. The TCM relies on accurate voltage readings to operate effectively. When the voltage in the power supply circuit deviates from the acceptable range, this abnormality triggers the TCM to store the code P0880-1C. It's essential to identify this issue as it could lead to impaired transmission performance or even failure. Therefore, understanding this code, how to troubleshoot it, and ensuring that all affected components function correctly are necessary steps in vehicle maintenance. When we discuss DTC P0880-1C, attention needs to focus primarily on the Transmission Control Module, or TCM. The TCM is a vital component located within the heart of the vehicle's electrical system, monitoring various inputs to control the automatic transmission system effectively. Its fundamental role is to manage the shift points and the overall functionality of the transmission based on the power supply circuit voltage. If the TCM detects that this voltage is out of its predetermined range, it identifies this as an abnormal condition. Additionally, it's worth noting that external factors, such as a connected high-voltage battery, can cause this DTC to be stored. Therefore, one should inspect the vehicle's 12-volt battery terminals for any signs of corrosion or looseness that may lead to a disruption in voltage supply. Understanding the possible causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting of DTC P0880-1C. One potential cause is the presence of a high-voltage battery, typically measured at 24 volts or more, connected to the vehicle, which can lead to the TCM recording this diagnostic trouble code. Furthermore, physical conditions, such as corrosion at the vehicle's 12-volt battery terminals, can disrupt the electrical flow. Loose connections at the battery terminals may also contribute to a lack of consistent voltage reaching the TCM, exacerbating the issue. Addressing these root causes is essential to resolve the symptoms associated with this DTC. Identifying the specific cause can bring about a quicker resolution and ensure the transmission operates optimally. DTC P0880-1C may present several symptoms that alert the driver of an underlying issue. A major warning sign includes various transmission performance issues, such as delayed shifting, erratic shifting patterns, or complete transmission failure. Moreover, the check engine light will likely activate as a result of the TCM sensing a fault within the power supply circuit. This not only indicates that the problem needs attention, but also leads to the storage of the diagnostic trouble code itself. By observing these symptoms, drivers can identify when their vehicle needs immediate inspection or servicing. Early diagnosis can prevent further complications that could arise from neglecting the DTC and can help ensure the vehicle remains in a good operational state. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0880-1C involves ensuring there is no high-voltage battery connected to the vehicle. If one is connected, disconnecting it may resolve the issue. Next, it is essential to inspect the connections at the 12-volt battery terminals meticulously. Corrosion at the terminals can create resistance in the electrical circuit, which could lead to the TCM detecting incorrect voltage levels. Both loose connections and visible corrosion should be noted during this inspection. Addressing these physical issues is a crucial first step because they are often easy to overlook, yet can significantly impact the vehicle's electrical systems, including TCM performance. The second step in troubleshooting DTC P0880-1C focuses on testing the transmission control module for proper voltage levels. Using a multimeter, one should test the voltage at the TCM to ensure it falls within the manufacturer's specified range. Observing the readings is vital, as low or fluctuating voltage indicates an underlying electrical issue. Resistance should also be checked, as it can highlight faulty wiring or connectivity issues within the circuit. In addition to voltage readings, checking the TCM's overall functionality is necessary to confirm that it operates as expected. This testing step is crucial in isolating the problem and determining if the TCM requires replacement or if it's another component that needs fixing. In the third troubleshooting step for DTC P0880-1C, if tests indicate that the transmission control module is defective, replacing the unit becomes necessary. It is imperative to follow the manufacturer's guidelines during this replacement procedure to ensure the new component is installed correctly. Improper installation can result in further issues or damage, negating the efforts made to resolve the original DTC. After ensuring the appropriate TCM is put in place, double-check all electrical connections before moving on. Once the new part is in, the next step is to conduct a clearance test to reset any existing codes and confirm that the DTC P0880-1C has been resolved effectively. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P0880-1C, it's crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure the issues are resolved. This begins by using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any diagnostic trouble codes from the memory. Once the DTCs are cleared, perform a test drive of the vehicle to monitor for any signs of previous symptoms or malfunctions. While driving, pay attention to how the transmission responds. Shift should be smooth and fluid, without any hesitation or delays. If the vehicle operates normally, it suggests that the repairs were effective, confirming that any faults related to the TCM and voltage supply have been adequately addressed. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0880-1C, practicing regular maintenance is essential. An effective approach includes routinely inspecting the vehicle's battery, as well as ensuring that the terminals are clean and free from corrosion. Maintaining clean battery connections can significantly enhance the electrical flow and reduce the likelihood of voltage issues in the future. It's also critical to periodically check the integrity of all connections related to the TCM and other electronic systems. By following these preventive measures, vehicle owners can not only prolong the life of the components involved, but also avoid costly repairs that can arise from neglect. Such proactive steps are key in ensuring the long-term health of the vehicle's operations. In conclusion, DTC P0880-1C is a significant indicator of potential electrical issues within the Honda CR-V's transmission system. Understanding the significance of this code leads to the prioritization of thorough troubleshooting processes, which involve inspecting battery connections, testing the TCM, and ensuring proper electrical function. By addressing the root causes early on, vehicle owners can mitigate the risk of transmission failure or reduce performance. Moreover, the emphasis on regular maintenance cannot be overstated. It plays a crucial role in sustaining the vehicle's overall functionality. Being proactive about these inspections and repairs will ultimately enhance the longevity and reliability of the Honda CR-V, making for a safer driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.